For me, it's almost like
Oh,
it's like the narrative of like a visitor,
mhm.
like come in,
Exactly.
and I know they're coming because I can see it on the calendar, and I'm like, any day now. And but that build up to that visitor is like just as much anxiety inducing as the actual event, which means you're exhausted by the time it's happening. And it's kind of like it's a really vicious cycle because like you were talking about going to the doctors, when you go and you want to report it, you're probably so mentally drained after this visitor that you've
You
been
might well
waiting
be feeling
for.
quite good on that day as well, so you're like, "Yeah, fucking
Yeah,
great."
it's a build
Yeah.
up. And
Yeah,
depending how soon you know of this visit, it could be that you've been waiting for this 3 months. So you've been preparing yourself for 3 months and then
Mhm.
exhausting. And finally you're sitting there and you've got the mask, maybe because if it happened now, we had masks and gloves and things. And can I put the coat down on this chair or would it be completely, I don't know, saturated with COVID stuff? So there is that level of things as well. So when I was in the empty room, I thought, well, okay, maybe if I don't sit, I will worry less, so I can focus more on my speech, sort of thing. Yeah, but then,
you're
oh
stood,
goodness,
yeah, you're kind of in an awkward position.
yeah, but oh,
But
it,
yeah, exactly. But like Anna says, like I've done that before where I've been like, I'm actually feeling all right today. Like, and also there's a thing where you struggle to remember what that pain, you can remember maybe the story of the pain, but you can't remember the intricacies of it. And then I write things down, and when I like look back at when I'm actually experiencing it and writing those things down, it's like, oh yeah, I'd forgotten about that and that bit
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
And they're like, because you can't remember pain in the same way that you experience it, so it is a different thing. um
Mhm.
but um but yeah, to write things down I think is the key.